Indianapolis, Indiana at the Crowne Plaza. Now this hotel is absolutely awesome. As you guys know, I like to do little room tours here of hotels, but this hotel is something special. While the rooms are, they're nice, but they're nothing like crazy. This hotel is literally built in a former train station, the Union Station of Indianapolis, which was, fun fact, the very first Union Station in the world. A Union Station is essentially where a bunch of train lines and company trains meet up, and this was the very first one. You can see the building right here in all of its glory. It's absolutely beautiful inside, and get this, there are actually still trains inside the building on the second floor. All right, let's go inside and check it out. We have made it into the main hall of the hotel, and you can see behind me there's actually these white statues everywhere. They're supposed to be like the ghosts of who would have been visiting and using this train station way back in the day. Alright, so we are actually standing outside of our room, which is room 104, and if you look here you'll see that there's a big window that looks out into this main hallway area heading in. So upon entering the room, you walk into this sectional slash sofa. To the left over here you have a desk space with a Keurig coffee machine, lights. Coming through here you'll notice that there is a closet here with full body mirrors. So see right here we have the bed area, of course have your TV area right here, and then there is a mini fridge in here, and then you'll see back here we do have some artwork kind of showing this hotel's past. Moving into the bathroom, we have Beekman 1801 toiletries, and coming in here into the toilet area, you'll see it's just a standard tub. That's all I gotta say about that. We are now headed to the second floor. That is where the trains are, and each side of the hotel has trains, so you can sleep in those legitimately, like you can rent it as a room. You can see that the rooms have like a normal door. It's really interesting how they've converted these. You walk through here, this particular side has two trains back to back with this gapway in between them. I'm trying to talk low because these are guest rooms, of course. This is reason to come back to Indianapolis though for me, because I would love to stay in a train car. I've said this before in the videos, I used to love trains as a kid. I had train curtains, my dad would take me on train rides, like train fanatic. We're gonna try and get a view in, here we go. You can see some towels have been dropped by the guests. You can also see the original track there. So that's the original track on both sides. And that is what these train cars sit on, the actual track. Alright, so this right here is the back of the trains. And one thing I think is interesting is that this hallway right here, right next to it, has largely been left untouched. You can see it's just concrete, and then you've got the trains and some guardrails. We have made it into an area that I'm not sure we're supposed to be in. Grand Hall. We're looking for Grand Hall, which is supposed to be grand. So there's a bar. Oh, I guess that goes to the Grand Hall. Looks like they're probably doing a wedding right now. You can see though it's very opulent in sight. Currently walking down a hallway where you used to board the trains. You can see right here they have your little entrances, and then they say track 1, track 2, track 3, and then on the other side you have these doors, which I'm assuming are what leads down, or what used to rather lead down to the tracks, and they've put on here train line names like Milwaukee. There was B&O back there. You have right here you've got C&O. Very cool. What do you think, Holly?
Very interesting.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this look at the Crowne Plaza here in Indianapolis. What a unique hotel. This definitely is now way up high on my list of like places I'm going to tell people, hey, you wanted to see something cool, go stay at the Crowne Plaza in Indianapolis, because you're staying in like a train station. It's absolutely awesome. If you want to see more videos on Indianapolis, check the description below. I have several videos shot in this city. All right, thanks guys. Until next time.